Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
As far as Doge support floor, it in a real sense is presently on 56, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost investigation truly is negative today, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.64 in an essentially enormous manner. Doge fundamentally rose 62.99% in 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. 5 Walk 2024. In this, we will, in every practical sense, walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time basically got clarification on some things facts, what by and large is especially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, especially as Doge an excellent speculation, or so they really thought. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally is very huge. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized examination, really let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to total 409,922,426,175, which in a real sense shows that Dogecoin truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.64, or so they truly thought. The really all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at total 222,741 to the 32 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of enormous manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63's 913.47 level after a decay of 398%, which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 money during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time span in a significant manner. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana sort of is up by 219 and at present exchanging at $132.24, or so they basically thought. Moreover, XRP came to 0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.8% in esteem in a very huge way. These occasions really demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending course for present moment, especially further appearance how Sol, the truly local coin of Solana fundamentally is up by 219 and right now exchanging at $132.24, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a truly broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how Dogecoin in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.64, which really is very critical. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of significant manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases for the most part become essentially more by and large dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a by and large significant manner. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants generally move genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Essentially further appearance how Doge for the most part rose 62.99% in 7 days, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge in every practical sense is at 0.16 down 9.13% in the beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 62.99% over the course of the week, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC. In a real sense is 8045 127 875 as est, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $22 687 329 339 as est, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $222 279 41 232 in a genuinely large manner. There by and large are practically 143 344 396 384 for the most part are available for use out of 143 billion 344 million 396 384, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value investigation. Doge cost examination for 05 walk 2024 inside a fundamentally everyday time period most certainly made sense of beneath, so Dogecoin basically has a medium-term opposition at $0.64. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize especially relative strength indexes, moving especially normal assembly and disparity MACD backing levels. Obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving sort of normal SMA and dramatic moving sort of normal EMA to essentially break down the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how we utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal intermingling and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving. Midpoints including truly basic moving truly normal SMA and remarkable moving kind of normal EMA to sort of investigate the future development of the Dogecoin, which sort of is genuinely critical. While Doge's Williams % R pointer in a real sense is at 58,383 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, an exchange kind of sign truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63.9 1347 level after a decay of 398% for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day graph, exhibiting how 05 walk 2024. In this we will for the most part walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues facts, what sort of is. Somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, really is Doge a wise venture, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The overall strength file RSI demonstrates that the Dogecoin fundamentally is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24, which truly shows that as of now, a genuinely broad, essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how Dogecoin sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $0.64, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin has essentially not many recuperation risks and could in every way that really matters keep testing quick obstruction level of $0.62 before very long. Genuinely further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of